Hello, today we're gonna just go over two examples from the problem set for today. So let's get started. So the first problem we're gonna look at is actually the first one. So let me just put in a page break. Okay, and let's look at it. Tara reads 5 books in 7 hours. How long would it take her to read 12 books? So I would covet, right, just to make sure I understood. So there's 5 books, 7 hours. How long to read 12 books? All right. So this is a distance type of question, right? Not distance, sorry, a rate type of question. And kind of comes off from here where we have distance equals rate times time, right? But instead of distance, we're gonna say it's books, right? But the rate and the time are the same. Okay. She reads 5 books. We don't know the rate, and it takes her 7 hours to do so, right? We're going to use our algebra skills, so we're going to do the opposite of times is divide by 7. So I'm going to divide by 7. This cancels out. So the rate to read is 5/7. All right. Going back to that equation, B equals R times T. The rate is 5/7. We're looking for the time. We want to know, how long it would take to read 12 books. So the best thing to do is you can do, since you're multiplying by 5/7, you can say divide by 5/7, which looks awkward, but if you work with the Desmos calculator, which you're allowed to do, you could just write A over B, 12 on the top. On the bottom, you write A over B again, and it's 5/7. And so it's going to take her 16 hours, 16.8 hours, right? Oops. Oh. 16.8 hours. And if you wanted to know what is 0.8 in minutes, you would just take, right? Because 1 hour is 60 minutes. So you would just do 0.8 times 60 minutes. So it takes her 16 hours and 48 minutes. 16.8 hours is fine. All right, let's go on to the next problem. I want us to do the last one. So let's put it over here. We'll insert a page break. Okay. Dan left the city traveling at 69 miles per hour, while at the same time, Joan left the city going the opposite direction at a speed of 47 miles per hour. Find the time traveled before the two were 114 miles apart, right? Not a big deal. You just have to do cub. So we're going to circle our numbers, right? Underline our keywords. Opposite direction, right? The two are 14 miles apart. Okay. So remember, distance equal rate times time, right? So the distance in this problem is 1/4. Oh, and find the time. All right, we're going to look for the time. So the distance is 114. Now here's the thing, the rate is two different ones. We have Dan who's going 69 miles per hour, but we don't know for how long. And we know that Joan is going 47 miles per hour, but we don't know for how long. but they're traveling at the same time because it says so right here that it's at the same time. So now what I have to do is I have to take out my calculator. 69 plus 47 is 116. So they're going at 116. 116. That's how far apart they're going per hour. So right away we see that it's going to be less than an hour, right? So you're going to take that number and we're going to divide, right? Divide. And so we're going to take 114, so hit enter. AB 1 4 4 divided by 116. 9.82, right? 9.8, right? And I taught you, you just take that number, multiply it by 60, and that will tell you how many minutes. So it would take them 59 minutes. 59 minutes. To get that far apart. If you have any more questions, just hit me up. Otherwise, I hope things are well. Okay, bye.